Hey guys, welcome. This is Chris. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can crop any kinds of image in any shape that is within Canva. Without further ado, let's dive right into our uh, presentation. So right here, what I need to do is I will customize the size of the page that I'm going to work with. So I will be working with the 1920 to over 1080, right? So let's create a new design. So over here, um, I, I can choose a picture, go to downloads, and let's grab, see here, let's grab this image right here. Okay, let's grab this image and how I can crop this image. So it's very simple. So the first thing to do is to click on the image, right? When you click on the image, it means that you just selected it. And then you come over here where it's a crop, right? And then you're able to crop it on the size that you want. Okay, you can crop the image on the size that you want. Once it's in the dimension that you want it, you can either click enter on your keyboard or done over here on the screen, right? There it is. Or you can double click it and move it around on how you want it. So let's say um, you can also like you just need this paper part to appear, right? Just do this and then done. That's it. Okay, so that's the first one. And the second one, the second is obviously you go to the elements section, right? And you go down, you see frame, you click see all right here, see all. And for instance, let's say that if you want to put your image within this frame right here, you just take this frame, you put it on top of your picture, or better off. First of all, you need to put your frame in there, and then you drag your picture on top. Okay, there it is. Okay, there it is. So you can do it with any kind of shape that you want. Let's just delete this one. So you can choose, let's say you can choose this, let's say this cell phone, right? And then you go to your images, downloads, and you can just drag this image right there. Okay, you can only make it bigger, you can make it smaller because it's just of image. Right, let's just delete that image and let's find another one that just looks prettier. Let's take this dollar, just move around a little bit and then boom, that's right there. Okay, you can crop it on any kind of shape that you want. Okay, let's delete this one and then grab another one, go to shape again and try to move to see what you like. Okay, there are all kinds of shapes in here. Let's grab this donut. Okay, go on my images, go on my downloads. Let's grab this dog nose and boom, that's right there in the donut. All right, you can move it on the side, grab another shape, um, all kinds of shape that you like. Okay, I like this one. Hold on. This one right here. Okay. And let's throw it dog right in there. Boom. Okay. Now, let's say for instance, if you wanna download this, let's say you wanna download this these images and so that the background doesn't show up. For this Canva version, like if you're using a free version, you cannot like, remove the background. But if you had like a pro version, you can remove the background pretty easily. Okay. And then what you can do now is to go to this website called remove.bg. First of all, you download your photo that you just put into a shape, right? You download it, and then let's just download the image, and then you go to remove. Downloads. Then you go to this website, remove.bg. Okay. You click on upload and crop the same image. It's gonna remove the background automatically. Boom, that's right there. So you can use the donut and that shape the second shape that we downloaded, this Instagram logo. Then you can just download it. It's gonna go straight to your computer download section. I can open it. Then you can see that there's the background is gone. Okay, so that's pretty much each. If you like the tutorial and if you like what you learned, make sure you subscribe and consider trying Canva. They have a free version. We have a lot of stuff and everything that just is now. It's you can use a free version and check the link on the description for Canva. You can if you see that the free version it's not for you, then you can upgrade. All right, thank you very much, and you have a good one.